Every day, businesses are missing calls, missing leads, and leaving a ton of money on the table. At the same time, though, there are people charging $500 to $900 per month for an AI agent that handles all of this automatically, and it takes less than 20 minutes to set up. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you how this works and how to set this up step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. So we're just going to jump right into this. So I have this amazing calculator that's going to show business owners just how much money they are losing by not having your AI agent or AI receptionist, whatever you want to call it. I mean, we're going to walk through that. We're also going to walk through how to find these businesses, okay, and get them on these AI agents so you collect money, because that's the whole point of this whole operation. But first thing I want to do, before I get into the calculator, before I show you this, I just want to actually show you exactly what an AI receptionist is and what it can do. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to grab my phone and I'm going to have a conversation with this right now. Let us now go through and call this bad boy and let's run it.
Hello, you've reached Bob's HVAC Pros. This is Amelia. How can I help you today?
Hey, Amelia, how you doing?
Hi there. It's Amelia, but close enough. I'm doing great, thanks for asking. How about you? What can I help you with today?
I'm good. My AC is terrible right now. I'm hot as balls. I need to fix it.
Oh no, that sounds miserable, especially if it's heating up. Let's get that AC sorted for you. Is it completely down? Or is it running but not cooling properly?
It's running but not cooling properly. I like to be chilly in the summertime.
Got it. Sounds like your AC is working overtime but not delivering the chill you need. Let's get a technician out there to take a look. Is this for your home or a business property?
This is for my home.
All right, for your home. Let me check our available slots so we can get someone out to fix that for you. One moment. Here are some available slots for an appointment. Today, April 2nd at 3:30 p.m., 5:30 p.m., or 7:30 p.m. Tomorrow, April 3rd.
Amelia, let's just do the as soonest you have possible.
Got it. The soonest available slot is today, April 2nd at 3:30 p.m. Does that work for you?
That's perfect. Let's run it.
Great. I see we have your email. Is that correct?
Yes.
You're all set. Your appointment is confirmed for today, April 2nd at 3:30 p.m. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Yeah, I actually have a quick question. So how hard is it and how long does it normally take to fix an AC system? Just generally.
The time it takes to fix an AC system can vary depending on the issue. For common problems like refrigerant recharges, cleaning coils, or replacing a capacitor, it might take 1 to 2 hours. More complex repairs like fixing ductwork or replacing major components could take several hours or even a full day. If you'd like, the technician can give you a better estimate once they assess your system today. Does that help?
Yes, that's perfect. Well, we'll just roll with that, Amelia. Thank you so much. And yeah, I appreciate your time for sure.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. We'll see you at 3:30 p.m. today.
Yep, bye-bye. Awesome. So you guys see how powerful that is? Like, that can do customer support and sales 24/7. It can answer complex questions. It can book appointments. It is the future. Guys, remember, AI is only going to be as bad as it is today. Only going to get better from here. And it's going to keep getting better. And that was literally better than a human. Businesses will pay for this. So now that you understand just how powerful this AI agent is, we now need to go into my free calculator to break down just how much they're missing. So when your demo hits, the local business owners understand what they're missing out on. Because guys, when I say people can charge anywhere from $500 to $900, even to a couple thousand per month, they can. And it's because of the value I'm about to break down. So the first things first is you need to pick a niche of who you're trying to sell. That's like the first thing. So we're just going to do plumbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in plumber. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pick the amount of missed calls. So there's different ways to do this. You can do, it'll be a bunch of missed calls. You can do averages across companies. What I like to do sometimes is go to ChatGPT and just ask, like, what is the average amount of missed calls a plumber faces a month? Now, again, for local businesses, it varies. The bigger they are, it's going to be way more. It depends. But sometimes an average is good. So like, look at this. This is insane. Like, this is 30 to 60 missed calls, and this is average. This is taking real stats. Again, it all depends on how big they are. So we'll just do 40 missed calls because that's decent. Again, it depends how big they are, but we'll do 40. So we'll just come in here and we'll type in 40. No, not 140. 40. Now that we have 40, we're now going to do the average plumbing value. So these are the lifetime value or average order value. So we're going to do back to ChatGPT and say, what is the average cost for plumbing services? Just give me an average number. I know there are many. So because again, there's hot water installs, there's toilet fixes, there's all kinds of different stuff, but we just want to get an average. Now, if you want a real pro tip, if you're talking to a plumber, figure out what services they are trying to get. That's the key. And then you figure out what their cost is for that. In reality, you want to be like, hey, Bob's Plumbing, how much does this cost? And then give them the exact thing. That's the pro tip here. So we come in here, most average. Okay, so we'll just do 300. That's simple enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to do $300. Okay, so now that we understand that, we go, okay, 40 missed calls, $300. Now, how much do they sell? Percentage of calls that typically turn to paying customers. With a lot of them, okay, it depends. Again, you can ask the business owner, but if you don't have any of this information, just search. So we're going to come right in here. We're going to go, what is the average closing value for plumbers on calls? Again, most people call a plumber. They're not really price shopping. They're trying to fix their issue. So we're going to ask ChatGPT. Again, what I recommend you do, this is very important, is to go to, okay, the business owner and figure this out. But again, you may not have that. So you got to use AI as your friend. So we'll just do even lower. We'll do 30%. So we'll come back in here and we'll do 30%. And right here, once we type in 30%, you will see right here, they are losing $3,600 per month. And a year, they're losing $43,000. Guys, we were conservative on our estimates. It's usually like $700-800. No joke. Like again, hot water installs are expensive. They can be up to $1,000. So they're missing out on that much revenue per month. And that's only at a 30% close rate because we hiked this up. It changes. Do you guys see that? So do you see how insane this is? How local businesses right now are getting murked on this? I mean, this is not me making this up. This is just simple math based on this AI calculator. Guys, this is insane. Like if you're giving a business owner that much more value in a month, say it's even lower than this. Say they're terrible at sales and they're only closing 15%, which is dog shit. Look at this, $1,800 per month. You could easily go, hey, I'll give it to you for $999, just $999. That's still that's almost 2x on like a horrible plumber. This would be like a terrible plumber. Again, this will be way more. But if you think about it this way, like say a plumber doesn't get a lot of missed calls. They get maybe 20, but they're selling hot water installs or stuff that's more expensive. Like they're missing out on lots where you can very easily charge a couple thousand per month using these kinds of things because local businesses, it makes sense. You're solving a problem by answering the phone, doing customer support and sales 24/7. Like guys, this is it. This is so important and you need to get locked into this because this is what's going to change your business is by using math and showing them, like, you look how much you're using. Because I'm telling you right now, most businesses, I speak from experience, from talking to them, they don't even know what these metrics mean. Like, they're not even cued into this. They don't research how many missed calls they have. They don't know their average order rate. Like, you'll be shocked. And when you show them this, they'll be like, no way. And then you could be like, but you know what, ma'am? I'll try to get you this monthly cost back. Just pay me $1,000 a month. That's 6x return on investment. That is insane. So now that you understand all of this, guys, and you understand how this AI agent works, now what I want to do is I want to go into showing you how to sell this to local businesses to reach out. By the way, what I have done to make this way easier, because I don't really want to go into setup because I've already built this for you. Now, again, if you want to learn how to set this up from scratch, these AI agents inside a high level, I can just show you down below. Just literally drop a comment and I'll send you a full tutorial. But in reality, I've already built out Amelia and I have a bunch more for literally like every kind of niche you go on. Landscaping, HVAC, lawyer, plumber. I already have it built out and you get it for free when you sign up with the 30-day free trial link right down below. Now, before you freak out and you're like, oh my gosh, he's trying to sell me something. It's a 30-day free trial. If you don't like it after, you can cancel. I also have no high ticket mastermind or coaching upsell to sell you. None of that. I've also walked the walk. Like I've sold a lot of businesses this. I've also won awards doing so, as you're seeing on the screen right now. Like I actually have done this. I've also helped a lot of people. So I just want to give you this for free because if you're sitting there setting it up, it's going to take you extra time. I'd rather have you just focus on selling using these calculators and whatnot. And then you'll be good to go. I also have this amazing self-selling demo I'm going to show you in a sec. This is just amazing. But it's simple as that. So again, if you want access to all these AI agents, it's in the 30-day free trial link right down below. Check it out. You also get access to my entire private community, all of my trainings, and then all of my live calls per week. They're all free, as you see here, that you get access to. So again, all of that is free with the link right down below. But what I want to do now is probably the most important part, which is reaching out to local businesses. So now that you have this knowledge, you can obviously show this to businesses, but you can also use the demo. So I recommend using a bit of this right here and my self-selling demo. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick your niche and then your exact location. So type in niche location. We're going to just do plumbers in New Orleans. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go down to the Google business profile. Okay. And you're going to find two different kinds of leads. The first lead is people that are not open 24 hours. This is a lead because, again, our AI agent can answer the phone in the time where they're not open, meaning they will miss calls. Boom. That is our first lead. So you go and you just see everyone that closes. Boom. Another lead, another lead, another lead. By the way, some of these 24 hours, they're lying. They're not open 24 hours. You can call them in the after hours. Also check for weekends. Very important. Those are your two different things. The weekend warriors, the people that aren't on the weekend, and then the people that are closed and have after hours, because those are where the AI agent can shine. The other kind of lead you go by is by calling businesses and seeing how swamped they are, because a lot of them have someone answering the phones. They are open 24 hours, but it's like one or two people and they get way too many calls, and those will be the big businesses. Those guys, it's a different kind of plan because they legit have way too many people like calling them. It's like we come in here to this thing, you see 20 missed calls. Some of these businesses, no joke, are missing like 100 missed calls per month. I'm not even kidding you. Like, I've seen it. Bigger businesses, especially ones like this where they have way more businesses, they're missing out on way more. Like, way more. No joke. So those are a perfect person for you to sell. Again, the bigger fish, the smaller fish. So to sell these AI receptionists or AI agents, again, you have the two different kinds of leads. You have the people that aren't open 24 hours, then the people that are that need help. So those are two different people. Now let's go into reaching out to them, because that's the next step. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be reaching out to these local businesses and having them demo this AI agent or AI receptionist, whatever you want to call it, via the self-selling demo, which I'm about to walk you through. So first things first, let me show you how this works. So you find the businesses, you get all your leads out. I recommend you use Go High Level again, because we have pipelines that I've already built out for you, which will categorize all these leads perfectly for you. But once you find these, very simply, what you're going to do is you're going to reach out to them with the demo, which I'm going to get to in a sec. So you have to pick out the way you're going to reach out. You want to send them a text message, again, check compliance laws, email, cold call, walk-in, websites, form submission, meeting them at a networking event, sending them a Zoom call, sending them a direct piece of mail. There's a lot of different ways, a box of chocolates. You can do all kinds of different stuff. Figure out the way in which you're going to reach out. I have other videos on it. If you're interested, drop a comment down below and I'll send you something. It's all free on my channel. That's the first step. Figure out how you're going to reach out to said business owners. And then once you figure out the way you reach out, okay, very simply, and this is what's really important, is you can do a little research on their business if you want to use these calculators, which again is part of the free community you can get. But the whole goal is, once you have this set up, you then want to use this exact self-selling demo and send it to them. So you're not just calling them randomly and be like, hey, buy my AI, because that's what a lot of you guys are doing. And newsflash, it doesn't really work because they don't know what AI is. You have to show them, not tell them. That's the beauty of this self-selling demo. So find the local business owners, find the way to reach out. Then you're going to send them this exact link and say, run through this demo. Now we're going to refresh the page and I'm going to show you what this demo does. By the way, the demo is completely free with that 30-day free trial. So as soon as they land on this website, it says, still losing website visitors who never book a call. Okay. They click anywhere and boom, arrows pop up and guides them to the AI agent. Remember the one we talked about in the beginning of the video I had a chat with? They will talk to them. Now this AI agent is not there to close them. It is to sell them. The whole point of this is they demo it. This website is about to talk to you, blah, blah, blah. They demo and they see how it would close their business. Now I have a ton more of these templates in the community. HVAC, electrician, plumber, lawyer. It will guide them through the steps. So what it's going to do is it's going to demo as if it was selling their client. So they see immediately, this is what AI does. Not you yapping away like an idiot trying to convince them because everyone and their mother is hearing about AI right now. No, you want to show, not tell. Again, this is why the wizard has experience. He's trying to give you the fastest, easiest way because this is what business owners respond to. I've talked to a gazillion at this point. They respond to seeing, not you talking. So as soon as they see it, they go, oh wow, this is pretty powerful. This can, do customer support and sales 24/7. As soon as they see that, they click. It then guides them to Maria, who is going to close them, whether that want to be to book an appointment with you, to talk to you, to send them an invoice, however you want to rig that, we can have it set up. We also have a bunch of calls in this community that you can attend for free where we can give you the hand-holding you need to show you how to set this up. But once they do that, they then would talk to Maria. So it'd be like this.
Hey, I'm Maria. Did you check out the demo?
Yeah, it was awesome. I can't wait to get started and stop losing leads.
That's great to hear. It sounds like you're ready to take things to the next level. What kind of business do you run?
I run a plumbing business.
Plumbing business, perfect. I imagine you get a lot of inquiries from people.
So you can just keep going and it's going to then drive them to a CTA. This is the whole goal. Whether you suck at selling or you're trying to scale or you're just too lazy, you want to have the AI do the selling for you. So all you have to do is go, check please. That's what you want. You don't want to have to go through this whole back and forth again. Guys, I've spent so much time making this, putting this custom CSS on this page, doing this stuff because so many of you, I read your comments, I read your messages to me. You're struggling with this because all I see you doing is yapping at your leads. This is going to show, not tell. hell. So that's it in a nutshell, guys. That's all you got to do. You got to get this AI agent, okay? Figure out the calculator properly, find your leads, send these leads to this amazing self-selling demo, and then you're good to go. And then charge anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month. Again, you want the math to math. That's what's going to sell them, not just you pitching them randomly. So figure that out, and then you're good to go. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions in the video, please drop them down below. I'd love to help you out. I'll answer for free. I do with all my videos. I'm one of the only creators that answers all the comments. So you drop it and you'll see what I'm saying. But I also recommend you check out this community. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to link a video that's about to pop up that's going to go over everything you get into this community more in depth, because I can yap all day, but it's actually going to be like case studies and showing you that this is the most legit community. And again, you get access to all of that for free when you sign up with that 30-day free trial. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one. Make sure you watch it.